We'll guide you through how to create a QR code for free. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. QR codes are extremely convenient because somebody can go and scan it and they can get taken straight to a link. So for example, I want to have it so somebody goes and scans it and they get taken straight to my channel. But for you, it could be a business website or a way of contacting you. You could then go and put this QR code in a video you're sharing. You could go and put it online and you can go and print it out. And then people can easily go and just get out their phone cameras and they can go and scan it and get taken straight to it. It's much easier for them than having to go and type in an address or do something else. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. What you need to do is go and open up your web browser, whether it's Chrome, whether it's Safari, Firefox, it doesn't matter. Open it up. So first of all, you need to go and grab the link you want to do this with. As I said, I'm doing this with the GuideRealm channel, so let's come to YouTube. Then what you can do is go and press search, and I'm going to go and type in GuideRealm. We can then come to it, and we can grab the address at the top. So I'll then go and right click and go and press copy. Now what we need to do is come to a site where we can generate QR codes. This site we're going to use is called QR Code Monkey, like so. Then you can come to this site here. What you can then do is come into where it says your URL and remove what's currently there and right click and press paste. And then you can come over to the right and you can go and press create QR code and you can press download PNG. Go away is going to be generated and downloaded onto your device. As you can see, it's now downloaded and we can then go and open it up.